Virtual reality, VR, a new computer technology, has incredible potential in the education field. The reason for this assertion is that education is a field that requires the students to understand complex data, particularly in the study of science. And VR makes that task easier. VR presents information in a three-dimensional form with the participant viewing the world from inside the world, an immersed viewpoint, with the ability to interact with the information or world. Smartphones, tablets, laptops and desktops are increasingly commonplace classroom tools, and they're all linked to an array of educational resources, thanks to cloud computing. Cloud computing in education helps students, teachers and administrators alike. Cloud computing allows students access to homework wherever there's an internet connection, teachers to instantly upload learning materials and administrators to easily collaborate with one another and save money on data storage. Google is well known for its G Suite productivity apps, which include Gmail, Hangouts, Calendar, Google Drive, and Google Docs. The G Suite apps all live on the cloud. A special classroom version is called G Suite for Education, which includes extra features for apps like Google Docs, Sheets, Drive, Gmail and others. Holographic projection technologies can revolutionize education by bringing mixed reality into the mainstream through realistic, interactive holograms. Holographic technology offers a truly visual and interactive learning experience to students across the world. Biometrics are hitting the big time in the education industry. Biometrics enable body-based security, technology that authenticates identity based on physical characteristics such as fingerprints, irises, facial structure, voice and even gestures. With its capabilities and applications, biometric technology has become a useful tool for instructors looking to enforce academic integrity in light of learning's continued migration into the online realm, but it also offers significant security benefits beyond that.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.